Hello everyone, I'm Arvind and welcome to our channel. Those are new, I want to tell you we are talking about your subject class 10th Information Technology 402 and this is a database management system. For watching all the videos chapter wise, I tell you go to this channel and search playlist class 10 IT and there you will get all the notes one by one, so you can explore this playlist from this channel. And for notes I suggest you better you go to Google and search any topic like what is a database management system by Arvind Z class, or simply you search Arvind Z class and you will get a link and you click over there and it will take you to our website. From there you can get all the notes. So what you have to do, you go to your class and subject IT and you will get all the chapters and their topics, and from there you can get notes of all the chapters. And last time you remember we were talking about form and report. I will leave a link there so you can watch it again. And for getting up to date, so better you like and subscribe this channel so that you get a notification of the next coming videos. And now let me talk about today's topics. So as you know, we are starting in your database new topic which is called SQL. Its full form is Structured Query Language, and it is a code-based programming language where we write codes for designing a database as well as for designing a table. So without wasting time, let me start our SQL. Now you have understood what is a SQL, which means Structured Query Language. It is a code-based programming language in which we design database, we design table, and its advantage is we can write this code in a HTML in a web page very easily. So what happens when we fill online forms, so that web page does not save all the information in a page. Actually it passes all the information in a SQL, and SQL save it in one database in a table in a structured way. So now you have understood why we use SQL. And your SQL is used to create a table. It also help you to modify a table. It also help you to delete a table. So these all tasks are done with the help of DDL, data definition language. On the other hand, when our table structure is ready, so we can enter record in it, we can modify record in it, and we can delete record in it. So those commands are used in data manipulation language, which is called DML. Okay, I mean to say your SQL is divided into two parts. First one is a DDL, which stands for data definition language, and second one is a DML, which stands for data manipulation language. Now we have understood what is a SQL, and it has two parts: data definition language and data manipulation language. And let me talk about data definition language, means DDL. Your DDL is just like a language, mean to say, which is used for designing a structure of your database or designing a structure of your table. For example, first of all we design a structure of your building. Okay, so we construct building. So in the same way DDL is used to construct a structure of your database. And if we talk about its basic commands, there are four basic commands. So first one is your create, second one is your alter, third one is your rename, and fourth one is your drop. So one by one we will talk about these all commands. So now we have understood DDL, mean to say data definition language. So let me talk about create command. So first of all, this create command is used for creating a table, mean to say for designing a structure of our table. blank structure of your table. So its syntax is we will write create table and table name whatever we want to give. After that we will write columns names and data type. So we can write all the columns name one by one and in front of it data type, and this way we write this creating a table command. You can see there. And for example, you want to designing a structure of your table. For example, first of all you want to write item code, item name, price, quantity and date of purchase, and you can see their data type in front of it. So how we will write in SQL command? So in a SQL command we will write this way, and first of all we will like create table and table name. We are taking here this thing, and next we will write your column name and data type, and this way we design a table. And in a SQL it will make this kind of a structure of your table, and you will see these kind of questions in your question paper, so you can see on your screen. So this way we design a table in a SQL, mean to say in a data definition language. Now we have understood how we can design a table using a create command. And sometimes what happens, we are designing a table and we write some restrictions, like we want that user always enter information in it, and sometimes we want a user does not leave any cell empty, and sometimes we want to use check, and so we want to put some condition there. So these are called constraints. And if we talk about in SQL we have these constraints. First one is not null, second one is a unique, third one is your foreign key, next one is your primary key, and next one is your check. And about foreign key and primary key I have talked about it, so there I will leave a link and you can watch it again. So now let me talk about not null. So sometimes we want that no one leave this column empty, so we will use this constraint not null. For example, here we are designing a table. You can see there we are writing create table and table name, next we are writing columns name, and in front of it field name, and by its side we are writing a constraint not null, mean to say don't leave this field empty. So user have to enter some record in it. It would not accept empty cell there. Okay, now come to second one, unique. So sometime in a table we don't want any duplicate value. So same way, for example, here we are creating a table. We are writing create table, table name, and next we are writing your column name and data type, and in front of it we are writing unique. So this way it will accept all the unique value, and if anyone entered delete value, so it would not accept this. So in the same way we can use primary key, foreign key and check for putting some limitations, restrictions. So I think now it is clear how we can use a constraint. Now let me talk about another data definition language, and now we will talk about your drop command. For example, we have made a structure of a table. Now we want to delete it permanently. So we will write this way, drop table and table name. And after that what will happen, this table structure will get deleted from the database. So this command is used when we want to delete a structure of your table. And let me talk about next command, which is alter. Alter mean to say we have made a table, and in an existing table we want to do some changing. So for that we use alter command. And alter command is basically used for three purposes. Like number one, we have an existing table and there we want to add one more column. Second, we have an existing table and we want to delete a column from an existing table. And third, when we want to change the definition of the table. So basically for these three purposes we use alter command. And let me discuss these three uses one by one. And first of all, we will talk about using alter command for adding new column in an existing table. So we will write this way. We will write alter table and table name, and we will use add and column name and then data type. So this way we use this command to add a column in a table. Now second use, when we want to delete a column in an existing table. So what we will do, we will write alter table, then table name, then we will write drop and column name, and this way we will delete that column. And the third use is when we are changing the definition of a table. So how we will write? We will write alter table, table name, modify. Now we will write that column name and new data type, mean to say changing definition of a table. So basically for these purposes we use your alter command as well as a drop command. As you know, your SQL is divided into two parts: data definition language and data manipulation language. So today we have talked about data definition language, and in the coming videos we will talk about data manipulation language. So you all subscribe and like this channel so that when I upload new video, so you get a notification of it. So next time I will come with a new video, and till then, bye bye.